Press the on button to start. In manual mode, set the values for temperature, time, humidity and turbine speed. Use the corresponding button to select the parameter you want to change and use the increase or decrease buttons to set the desired value. Press the phase button to change to a new cooking cycle. Modify some value of the cycle to activate it. Now adjust the values of the second cycle according to the specific cooking requirements and the result you want to achieve in the product. Press the phase button again to advance to the next and last cooking cycle. Change the values again according to the cooking requirements in the same way as in the previous cooking cycles. By pressing the phase button again, the preheating cycle can be accessed. Activates or deactivates preheating by pressing the time button. In the preheating phase you can adjust the temperature and turbine speed. Finally press the start button to initiate the cooking process. Important: if a phase is set with infinite time, it cannot be allowed to advance to the next phase.